Hello. Hi, Naresh. Hi, host. Hi. How are you? I hope you all well. So, within just 1 minute, we will start this session. Yeah. So let's start the session. I wish you welcome all to attending for the session. Today, I would like to discuss about the what is the electrical construction industry, what are the current markets. So, is there any future for the electrical engineers in the building construction? And different details I'm going to teach in this coming video. So, let me tell about you about the let us discuss about that mostly electrical engineers. What is the role and responsibility in construction industries? All these details. Before going to that, I will start with a famous quote. In India, we have a famous quote. It states that Roti, makan or kapda. Roti, makan or kapda. This is a famous quote in India. What it means? To live human being, we require three essential things. One is food, second one is books, and third one is buildings. So we are discussing about building topics. We know food and clothes. Everyone we know it, but we will be discussing about the buildings. So now, what is the building? Why we have to discuss about the buildings? If you look at the population data, in 2021, we are what is the population throughout the world? 7.888 billion people are living in this earth. How much? 7.88 billion. So for all these people required homes. In India as well as globally, many people are living in rental bases. Many people they are homeless. So in many governments, India as well as UAE in other countries, government they are constructing the homes and donating to the poor people because each and every person required like a food, as I said, food and clothes. Third thing is that they required the buildings. So why engineers required in the buildings? Why electrical engineers or other engineers required in the buildings? What is the requirement? Because electrical now buildings, if you look at the buildings, in the olden days, building means what we have. We will be construct the homes. There is no electricity. After few years, the electricity coming, then what we have? We have one light and one fan. That's it. But if you look at the globally current scenarios, what is happening due to the global warming? The coal countries they become the coal countries. They are now what is happening? The ice is melting. It becomes hot. Recent trends. We look at recent trends. We look at that. Uh, Recent trends. What is happening? If you look at the London airport, if you look at the London airport, there is a runway that will get damaged due to the hot. Now, India as well as UAE it is a hotter country. You will look at the India. India, there is a too much hot condition there. So we require air conditions for our homes. Then what is happening? We have a beautiful homes, one store, two store. We require when we enter the buildings, we require our car is entering. Then what we have? If we have a car, we entering the building. So what we need? We need a gate barrier. So to open the gate, open and close, we require gate barriers. So for these gate barriers, it is a technology. Now we need security for our homes. What we need? We need CCTV cameras. There is a building due to the electrical equipment more maybe due to the short circuit it will be get damaged. To protect this one, we require circuit breakers, or we require some smart distribution boards. And we have a washing machine, refrigerators in homes. All these are connected to the internet. So these internet, with a voice, we can control our electrical things. So this is the reason we required. This is the reason our electrical buildings is becoming smart and the load is increasing. That is the reason electrical engineers required in the building construction sector. So now next question is that why what is the growth in the electrical engineers? So graduation, after completion graduation, can we go in the building construction sector? Yes, you can do that because there is a data. You always analyze the data. Look at the 2020, there is a what is a building construction revenue. We have a different type of revenues available in the world. Like, if for example, there is electricity generation, it is how much is generated, as well as like a from the IT industry, how much revenue coming, and then there is roads and transport, public from the public, how much revenue coming. These are different sectors are available. Now, what is the globally global, I mean worldwide, how much economy is developing through this building sector? There is a data, it states that in 2020, and around we have 6.4 trillion US dollars. 6.4 trillion US dollars economy is coming from the building sector. In 2021, this is goes to 7.4 trillion US dollars. This economy, it will be reached to 2020, 2030, it will reach to 14.4 trillion US dollars. So if you look at the economical growth from 2020 to 2030, there is a double growth. 2020 we have a 6.4. In 2030, it is reaching to the 14.4 US dollars, trillion US dollars. So that is the reason building sector is growing widely. So now what we have to be after graduation, everyone who is passionate about electrical, say homes. I mean, before that, I want to say that there is a three evergreen branches available. One is civil engineers, second is mechanical engineers, third is electrical engineers. These three are evergreen branches. Always these three branches, the always three branches is play vital role in the construction sector. So if you have a doubts in between my topic, just post your question through the comment section. I will answer your questions. So what I am saying, these three branches are essential: electrical, mechanical, and civil. As per the data, 2030 14.4 trillion US dollars it is reaching. So each and every person now can be can be joined in the construction sector. If you join in the construction sector, then there will be your future will be bright. So construction sector means what we have. This is what I want to tell. Electrical stuff. This channel I initiated like 2020. I started 2020 end. I started and 2021 2022. It will be reached a bit more. 2022. I started this channel like we are reaching like 121.4 or something views, 6K watch hours. It will reach to the people. What electrical stuff is doing means it is educating the community regarding the building sector. So, so what we are gaining here means, sorry, what we are giving information through electrical stuff channel means. here, complete building from the start to the end. We are giving all information about electrical engineering sector, in the building sector. So basically, if you look at the electrical stuff, it's teaching from the scratch to the finished product. So if you people are like new to the channel, just like and share and subscribe to my channel and get the watchful videos. So 2022 we do a fantastic job and we find like a 50 plus people through this channel because I have a limited time. I have a getting a lot of inquiries to teach me, but due to the lack of time, this is one-to-one teaching. So I can spend only 2 hours or 3 hours per day, not more than that. So I am unable to teach many people. In 2023, I'll come up with a lot of other plans to out of these things uh, what I want to teach you that. So what is the current market scenario? This is what I want to teach you right now. Which countries currently is good for job? If you look at the India, they say that 2050 they want to become $1 trillion economy. So for this reason, they are developing lot of infrastructure works and lot of buildings and construction going on. So you can try in India as well. But if you require a good money, sound money, then you have to concentrate Saudi Arabia. Now, Saudi Arabia, they are a plan 2030. In 2030, they want to become like they want to completely I'm sorry, they want to completely change the Saudi's face. In 2030, they have a massive plans to become to develop the Saudi. If you look at the Red Sea area, they are going to develop lot of construction. Like you see the new and Red Sea, they have a like 100 plus portals of construction going on, and they want to make Saudi as a greener country. They, as per the king of MBS, King Mohammed bin Salman, he states that he want to make Saudi Arabia like a Europe in recent interviews. So you imagine Saudi is a very good opportunities. We have a lot of good opportunities in Saudi Arabia. Then what else we have opportunities where we can go. If we if we are going to the for example, if we are going to the like Europe and other countries, what they are doing, if there is any opportunities for the construction industries, there are lot of opportunities in Europe because they are renovating their buildings because the Europe construction they are advanced its construction a long time. So now they want to renovate their buildings. Due to the heat concern, they are now adopting the air conditioning because in Europe and all those countries there is no air conditions, old buildings especially. So they want to change this system. So there are also plenty of opportunities in Europe, as well as if you look at the US, you look at the Asia Pacific, like China, Vietnam, and all these countries in the Asian belt, like like we have Bangladesh and India, all those belts, they have a lot of construction, lot of development coming in future. Middle East is a key sector where we have a decent salaries and decent opportunities. Not only electrical engineers are benefiting through this construction industry, they have a lot of other industries depend upon this construction. Like if you have a building, so what you need? You need like civil engineers, electrical, mechanical engineers, they are getting benefited as well as other industries. What I say that other industries like a power sector, they all depend upon the buildings. How many buildings are construction going on? There are a lot of power plants you require to build. Lot of substation you have to be built, and there is a lot of infrastructure you have to build roads and sewerage and water supply you have to be provided. if the buildings are growing, then you require hospitals will be grown, shopping malls will be grown, and a lot of other stuffs are growing. So that is the reason this construction industries in the coming days, it will be very crucial. So if you have added electrical engineering with some computer skills, then you you are the best engineer. So you have to be add computer skills along with your electrical technology. How we now there is a lot of trends are going on. So you have to adopt the technology. What technologies you can adopt? If you ask me, I will say that right now there is a building information modeling is going. So what you have to do, you will learn these courses. Now you learn these courses as well as there is a design software there. Lot of like a subsystems. Not only electrical engineers learn only power and light. Not only learn these things. You have a CCTV system. You can learn those things. You have access control. You learn it. Fire alarm you learn emergency system. There is a 20, 30 subsystems are there. Each system they have a different software. They have a different method of design. So you will learn all those things. If you learn those things, is a good engineer, and for you there is a lot of demand in the market. So now, if you have any question, just share to me. I will answer within like a 10 minutes. I'm going to end this session. So this is what I want to inform you to this session. So any other information you like to ask me regarding anything, you will ask me. I will answer. Dubai Naresh is saying hi, hi Naresh. How's hi? Love your stuff as per UA standards. Thank you, Manish. Thank you a lot. Hi, dear you. Hi, you're getting a lot of knowledge through your channel. Thank you so much. Ahmed records. Hello, sir. Hi, Ahmed. How are you? And Sanjeev Dubai is MEP being course useful. Yes, it's useful because now there is no AutoCAD. AutoCAD is 2D design. We are now designing Revit-based design. So Revit-based design, if you look at this building, so now olden days we don't know. Like if you take a building, so building what equipment, size equipment, we don't know. Just we draw the lines like we have pocket here, this, it. But it no coordination. But in the being what is happening, each equipment size we will be designing, and it is inserted in the room. Like a 3 by 3 room we will consider. So where you have a socket, then what is there is a cupboard is there. For what is happening, we are keeping socket there, but unfortunately we require furniture drawing, other drawing required. And furniture drawing, then only we can decide if this socket it will come left or right or something. So now if you have a beam, we will be look the project before construction. So before construction, we know each element where we have to fix. We know through this beam modeling. So now there is a lot of because olden days, what is happening. You have now there is a shop drawings section. In future there is no more shop drawings. Everything coming through the beam drawings are coming, beam software is coming. So in the beam, you will be review the drawings as a consultant. You will be review through the beam only. So you have to be learn beam because they in future I'm sure there is no more shop drawings coming. No need to make a shop drawings. You will make everything through this one and you will be in the team. Nowadays, like a technology, we have a like goggles are coming there. With the goggles, you can see the actual site scenario, what equipments come. If you install something with with the spectacles, you wear it, then you will know that this element is clashing with any other services. It is installed perfectly or not. This is how many tools are coming. You will be just scan it and you will be put it in the beam system. What is the clashes? You can detect it. A lot of technology is coming in the building sector. So I believe if you are an engineer, don't think that AutoCAD draftsman they only learn it is useful. No, you will learn BIM course. It is very useful because future is BIM. I hope you understand Sajid, regarding the BIM. So what regarding the courses, if you see, like all the now recent trends, through electrical stuff also teaching the courses. We will teach basically this channel is about for the fresh engineers, those are entering to the construction field. So for them, we are teaching lot of stuff here. It is in YouTube videos. I'm teaching a free base. All you can check it, those videos you will get the benefit. And moreover, uh, yeah, moreover, what I'm saying, you will be like if you want to one teaching report, just contact me through electricalstuff.mak@gmail.com. You send me query, I will be respond. If you have any doubts regarding electrical engineering, share me through the electrical stuff gmail.com. Through this one, I will post in the chat session also, email. You contact me over there. I will be answer your all queries as much as I know. Any other questions from anyone? So, if you are make your CV uh, recent trend updates, so that you have to be like a lot of tools are available now. AI tools are available. So through the AI tools, you can develop your CV. And now there is a market is there, not in UAE. UAE there is a little bit. I mean, Dubai it is a little bit less, but Abu Dhabi they have a lot of projects ongoing and coming also in future. Like if you look at the we have currently if you look in Abu Dhabi area, there is a Saria Thailand. There is a lot of museums are coming over there. There is a big mall construction going on there, but fit out also it will be coming in future. So there's a lot of stuff is coming in Abu Dhabi. They have a lot of projects as well as some villas also construction going on. They have a plan by plan development plan in Abu Dhabi. So if you are UAE based people, just check and concentrate in Abu Dhabi area, so you will be get benefited. You have any other questions, just post in the comment section. So anything others you want to like to ask me? Because I know there is a India, there is a festival, so a lot of people are attending the festival. I didn't know that this festival. Otherwise, we will attend the session in different session. If you watch, I'll put this live session in YouTube so that you just look at the data. This what I posted over there. Then you can be plan over there. And the other things from you all, you want to discuss. And one information I want to share that in my community, if you go my channel page, there is a community section there. Daily I am posting like a job availables in UAE especially. So just if you are not aware, just go over there, check those sessions. So I'm posting over there. So it will be applied through this. Also, email IDs also I'm providing with that one. So apply and get benefited this thing. Okay, and yeah, that's it. That is the presentation from me. Okay, in future we will be coming with a good presentations. In 2023, I'm coming with like a good videos ahead. Uh, Basically, till now, I all my videos in 2022 is a theory-based videos because I believe that we want to learn the theory first, then practical. So now what I do, I will mix up those things. I will be do the theory and then I will do the practical videos. Now you will be see your coming days. You will be see my practical videos. Uh, Soon I am going to post many practical videos this year. So benefited with those videos. videos and learn the electrical knowledge. I hope and keep supporting, keep show your love to the electrical stuff channel. Okay, that's the video. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. And I'm going to end this presentation. If you have any comment, reach me through electricalstuff.mvp@gmail.com. Okay. Thanks a lot. Good day. Have a happy Sunday. Take care. Good day. Bye bye.